Garmin Connect gets a new look. Now, it is more intuitive and can be customized. In this video, we will show you how to customize the layout of your home screen. Let's start from the Garmin Connect mobile app. First, make sure your app's version is above 5. Then, open the app. Your stats are now showed in two formats, in focus and at a glance. To customize them, scroll down and select Edit Home. Add your most important stats to the In Focus section. You can select up to 6 stats. Drag to reorder. Save. Then, add your secondary stats to the At a Glance section. Add. You can select up to 20 stats. Drag to reorder and select up to 8 stats to show on the home screen. Save. There are other sections. You can enable them to show on the home screen. Lastly, you can select Reset Home to use the preset home screens. Now, go back to see the home screen you just customized. Next, the Garmin Connect web version. The new home screen is similar to the app version and the layout is synced between the two versions. To customize the layout, scroll down and select Edit Home. The process is the same as the app version. Choose your stats and drag to reorder. Save and go back to see the home screen you just customized. And that's it. Thanks for watching.